TY38, hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique, it's fucking awesome. The man behind the
Detail World, excuse my voice. It was my birthday this weekend, yeah, so excuse my voice today. But right now we out here doing this Mercedes-Benz G63. The car dirty. I lost my microphone. I lost one of my batteries to my camera. It was an amazing weekend. I can't wait till y'all see that content. But you already see it. Car dirty, heavy brake dust. Brake dust extremely heavy. You see it's dirty on the exhaust. Door jams, pretty dirty. We got a little dog hair, your typical debris. You got the sticks and twigs, a little few snaps, look like a little granola. But yeah, we're gonna make sure we wipe down these seats, clean them real good, vacuum the seats, clean all the debris, you know, get all that up. Then get in here, wipe the doors down, get up in here. We gonna do our job. Like I said, you always make sure you see how the dirt was hiding. Peekaboo, hold on, peekaboo, I see you. But we're gonna go ahead and do our thing, wipe down these monitors, do these interior windows, clean the exterior of the car properly. You see it got bugs on the front of the car. So we're gonna make sure we get all these bugs off the front grill, things like that. We already took out the mats, so we're gonna clean the mats. We got the generator things out like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, get it started. I got a busy day. My next stop got 3 cars, 4, I probably got 6 more cars to do today, man. I got things to take care of. I'm trying to tell you, ain't nothing getting cheaper out here, man. It seems like working harder, not smarter, but I'm gonna figure it out, man. So, on the next note, man, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, man. You already know we take so much pride in what we do over Yo Remember Our Care Service, and peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We didn't finish this Mercedes-Benz G63, man. We got it in and out. You remember how dirty the wheels were. Definitely got the wheels looking good. Definitely got the exterior, the paint looking good. Got the windows clean. Definitely got everything vacuumed, wiped down. Like, we got the car looking good. So we definitely finna head to the next stop. He got 3 cars there for me. I'm hoping he ain't got that real dirty truck for me, because if he do, he's gonna be upset that I'm not doing it today. I let him know last time. If he ever got that car that dirty, let me know prior to, so I know how to schedule my day. But like I said, we finished this, knocked it out. Next stop probably about 7 minutes from here, man. So on that note, do what you gotta do. Y'all already know I'm gonna do what I gotta do, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do. We done made it to this second appointment. We're still out here in Brentwood, Tennessee. Right now we're doing a Lancia. I don't know 100% what it is, but it got an H4 on there with 4 elephants. But that's a race car. We already did the interior, exterior. Right now we just adding some wax. You see it got a horse right there. We can see this thing got 240 on the dash, but that's kilometers. It's not miles per hour. But right now we just adding the application of wax right now. Trying to get it waxed up. We got 2 more vehicles to do here, just the exterior on them. But right now we knocking it out. It's a beautiful car. It kind of got that BMW look. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing the work, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We didn't finish this second car today, which is just, I guess, a Vivian 2. Just don't know the name of these cars. We're definitely gonna look it up. They're more like off-road race cars. If you see, he's like racing a race right here called Copper State 1000. But if you look at the interior of the car, the interior is basically a race car. Actually got your racing bar, you know, stuff like that. Actually got a fire extinguisher, things like that. But we about to go ahead and finish the interior of the car. We already finished the exterior of the car. We already knocked out the other car. We still got 1 more car here, and then we got 3 more stops. But we'll go ahead and knock this out, man. Y'all already know we take so much pride over here at Yo Remember Car Care Service, and I hope you take pride whatever you're doing. So on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We done made it to this 3rd appointment, which is the 5th car. We doing this Mazda CX, I don't know, it's one of them things. But we already cleaned the whole exterior of the car. We're gonna go ahead and vacuum the interior of the car. I'm gonna give you a quick glimpse. That last car, I didn't get a look at it. I mean, yeah, I was too busy in a rush. So I didn't get a chance to do it. Take the footage of it, but I do. I can show you what it looked like off IG. But like I said, we're gonna get in this exterior. It got your typical debris, just sticks, your twigs, got a little dog hair, a little grass. We'll get in here, wipe down the seats thoroughly. Get in here, vacuum the back, make sure we clean that properly. Hold on, somebody calling my phone. Hello? Oh, what kind of car do you have? Detail World, what it do, man. We didn't finish this fifth car, which is this Mazda. We got the wheels, got the car, nice and wax. If you got to see how this thing glowing, man. So yeah, I'm definitely finna go ahead and let them know we done. Then we got 2 more cars to do, and then we'll be done for the day. So I'm about to get ready to head to the next stop. It's supposed to be at 1 o'clock, it's probably about 1:30 by the time we get there. But like always, man, we take so much pride in what we do, man. Gotta hurry up and get a new microphone, because I know this probably sound crazy, picking up everything, but y'all already see the work. Y'all do what y'all go do, so I do what I gotta do, or I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. And we're gonna constantly keep this content coming, man. We got some more episodes around Nashville City Nights coming, and I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We just finally got this GMC Sierra done, man, AT4. We had to do a basic interior, exterior on it, but regardless of we doing a basic, it'd be a little bit dirty, so it'll take a little bit more time, but we got the car completely done. Make sure we got all the dog hair out, all the dirt and debris, because it's usually a work vehicle, so you usually have a lot of dirt here. Cup holders and things like that, pretty dirty. The back, you see, he got a bunch of stuff back there. We just move around and wipe it down, things like that. Wipe the back of the seats, did the interior windows, did the doors, door jams. You see the wheels got a glow, so we finished here. Only thing I need to do is come back and wipe down this running board, but it's dirty because when I go to dry the car off, my feet dirty. But yeah, we completely got the car done, man. I think we still got one more to do, so I'm about to contact them right now, see if they still want me to come, man. But on that note, man, been a beautiful weekend. My voice trying to heal, but I'm trying not to talk as often every time I'm talking as I'm doing a vlog. And like I said, I lost the mic, so if the audio sound a little weird, y'all gotta excuse me for that. I will have a new mic coming real soon. But I'm gonna go ahead and let him know I'm done so he can move this car that's in front of me, and I can head to my next stop, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We at this last stop, last car today, which is this Subaru Crosstrek. We working on the interior right now. It's literally gonna take me about 2 hours to do the interior, but we already done with this side of the car. We about to start on this side of the car, but we're gonna go ahead and show you what it looked like. We'll give you a quick before and after, show you what it looked like, but this is what the interior of the car looked like. You know what I mean? Definitely is a lot of embedded dirt in the carpet, a lot of your typical sticks, your tigs, debris, things like that, little dog hair, things like that. Then we also gonna clean these seats, wipe down all the steering wheel, consoles, doors, things like that. Get in the back, do the same thing. Wipe out the doors. Well, wipe all of the plastic, the seats down, hit the carpets, clean the seats thoroughly, and then also get in the back. Get in this back, do the same thing. Carpet, shampoo it. Then when we get to wash it, if we wash it, because like I said, probably take more than 2.5 hours. We definitely gonna be. But he want all that clean. But just give you a quick glimpse of what it looked like. If you see, if you remember what that side looked like, and then you look over here, we got the car completely done on this side. Even the seats look a little bit dirty. I mean, look a little bit different from these seats. Those seats are nice and dusty and dirty. Actually got the back of the seats clean. We got all the doors wiped down thoroughly. Even on this side, same thing. Well, since I moved the seat, dust, stuff like that, we're gonna come back, hit the door, things like that. But we are making progress. We're gonna go ahead and continue it, knock out the other side, and like I said, try to wash the exterior of the car. But I hope you're doing great. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my job, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace.
TY38, hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique,